Is Mode Earn app, also known as current app, really an easy way to earn $600 or more just by listening to music, or is it a waste of time? My name's Michael and I love testing different ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me for an updated Mode Earn app review, and in this video I'll give you an inside look, show exactly how it works, the pros and the cons, and then you can decide for yourself whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's just start by going over the name to avoid any confusion, because the app used to just be called Current on both Android devices and iOS devices, but it's still called Current for iOS devices, but on Android devices called Mode Earn. But it has like a common website where you can see here that it says that you can play music and earn up to $600 per year, and then it also offers other ways to earn. So it looks very appealing for sure. You can just scroll down and see all the opportunities, and then you would need to click here, and in this case here I would go to the Google Play Store because I have an Android device, so that's also why I will show you inside what's called Mode Earn. But as you can see, it's just called something else for iOS devices. It is a little bit confusing, but let me now log in and then I will show you exactly what it offers. So I have now logged into Mode Earn app, and it can be a little bit overwhelming when you first come in here. And the main thing, if we're talking about earning by listening to music, because that is what it is known as offering. So you can see there is a music tab down here, and you would be able to click here and just choose any genre you wanted to, or any song there. So let me just choose something here. And then one thing that's very confusing is that now it has started, and this is something it didn't used to in the past when I have tested it previously also. It has all these ads displaying all kind of random places, and also it's not really ads. That's what's so confusing. It has these thumbnails from different YouTube videos, and like it doesn't look like it's something that they have chosen themselves to display it, because when you click it, you see you just get to the surveys, so it's very confusing. And see here now some new of them just pop up here, so it looks more like they're just taking these very appealing thumbnails and putting them in here, and then you get curious, but then you're just taken to actually do offers or service or something else inside the app. So that's one aspect I really don't like. It didn't used to have that. It's just really not user friendly. But anyways, when it comes to listening to music, you can also find something here, and my volume was just down right now because I was recording there, but I'll just turn it on here, and then you can see then it will be playing. Now I just turned it off again because it's a little bit disturbing if it's on while I am recording there. But if it is on a little bit, you can see then up here there is a counter. It says how long you can keep listening to that music there, so time left here, and how much I get per minute, and how much you get that can vary depending on how active you are inside the app and where you live and different things like that. But also it has limited time you can earn, as you can see. But then you can, for example here, complete offers, take surveys, do games and so on. Then you can earn for more hours, or you can wait till it automatically adds more time again. The main thing here is that I'll just pause the actually playing of music here because it disturbs me. Maybe you can't hear it, but I can, so I'll just pause it there. But anyways, that it looks like you can earn just by listening to music, but to actually keep it going long enough to earn what it says that you can earn these $600 per year, so you would also need to watch the videos or complete offers, take service or so, because if not, you don't have enough time you can actually listen to this music. So that's one thing to be aware of. And then when it comes to these offers and games and so, you can find it's kind of what you can find inside most other get paid to apps, but the rewards are not quite as good as they are on many other apps and websites. And also then again, the usability, it's just not that great. It's very confusing. It's all over the place. They have these ads that are not really ads displaying everywhere also. But it can be a way to earn, but it does take some time and patience to get used to it, and you do need to be realistic about it also, because you can't just let it run in the background listening to music all the day and then you will earn a lot. You can in a way earn passively when you listen to music, but to be able to do that, you do need to use other aspects inside the app. And if you have to take surveys or do offers anyways, or complete offers, then there just are other platforms that offer higher rewards, and the rewards you get for listening to music are not very high anyways, but that's how it in general is by listening to music. Many people always ask me, how can I earn good money by listening to music? There are not any platform that will give you good money. Mode or Current is a way where you can earn by listening to music, and scarily enough, it's one of the best that I've come across that offers you to actually earn by listening to music, but it definitely is not a very effective way to earn. But before deciding whether it's for you or not, you of course need to know the value of these points you earn and also how you can take your earnings out. So let's go over that next. So I now jump to the redeem section here, and this is again super confusing, full of little ads, thumbnails there that are not really ads, and then you have to scroll here to find out what you can get, and you can see some of it is just where you get discounts, and then you have also PayPal as an option, which is of course great. There might be different opportunities or payout options depending on where you live, but you can see it's a very messy cash out section with ads placed different places there, and when you click the ads, then this was actually an ad, but there are some of the ads, as you can see, this one was not an ad that takes you to their section where you can play to earn and had actually nothing to do with what the ad said there. So again, very messy here, but what I do like is that the payout threshold is only 10 cents, but if you look at it here, you can see that it would require you to earn 2,600 points. So for example, I'm earning 0.6 points per minute listening to music. So you can figure out that to just earn 10 cents, how many hours that would require, and to even be allowed to listen that many hours, you would need to complete a lot of offers. So even though it's a low payout threshold, if you just want to earn by listening to music, that will take a very long time. So to sum it all up, I just simply do not think Mode Earn or Current app is worth it because it has become very confusing. It didn't used to have all these ads that are not really ads, and that just really is not user friendly. And also the earning potential is just very low compared to many other websites and apps where you can earn by taking the same offers and same paid service, because the earning potential by listening to music is extremely low. But if you have any other opinions, any experiences yourself, I would love to hear from you in a comment below. So just leave a comment below and share that. That would be great to hear. Personally, it's not an app that I will be using anymore to earn because I just prefer using apps where you can earn more effectively. And if you want to see a list of my top recommended reward apps, then I do have a list on my website. I will leave a link below, and also I do have a free email course where I go over my favorite free ways to earn and all kind of tips and tricks about how you can get the most out of it. I will leave a link below so you can go and sign up for that if that's something you're interested in. And finally, if you just prefer reading instead of just listening to me talking or watching a video, I also do have a written review of Mode, Earn app and Current on my website, so I'll leave a link to that below so you can go and check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.